US Embassy and English Consulate. It was composed by a hospital, a refectory, houses, and a church dedicated to the soldier. So the gilded dome was the dome of the former church, and nowadays the Napoleon's remains stay in the crypt under the gilded dome. So the tomb of, we call that the tomb of Napoleon. We have two facades of the two palaces. To the left, the Petit Palace. Today is closed because it's on Monday. It's open from Tuesday to the right, the Grand Palace. Then we have the gilded dome, the gilded statue decorating bridge of Alexander III. It is dedicated to Alexander III, the Russian Tsar, to celebrate the alliance between France and Russia at that time. The bridge was built in 1897. The foundation was built in 1900 for the Universal Exhibition in 1900. It was built in metal. The statues celebrate the Seine River to the right and the Neva River to your left. One is in Paris, another one is in St. Petersburg. And from distance we have Eiffel Tower to your right. And then a little bit further, still to your left, there is a very famous museum, Rodin Museum. Rodin is the famous sculptor in 19th century. This is the garden, and this is his private mansion and his workshop. And after his death, he dedicated to his place to the state. So it's turned to the museum, dedicated to works of Rodin. You have as well the seat of the minister.